Hello everybody. This is another one of those introductions where I'm recording it weeks after the actual work has taken place. In this video you're going to see the rest of the steels go in, and you're also going to see a lovely chap called Mark give us a hand to do it. He very kindly offered to come and give me a hand, so thank you very much, Mark. It's really appreciated. We couldn't have done it without you, actually. Well, we could have done it, but it would have taken us probably twice as long. I hope you enjoy this video. It's quite a short one, and that is because we didn't really have much time to do too much filming. And in the next video, you are going to see me and Dad put all of the floor joists into place. So that'll be quite interesting. Anyway, it is definitely time for me to get on today, because as you can see behind me, I've still got the floor to do. Things are definitely progressing, and I'm very happy with the progress. Very happy with the progress. We've got lots to show you guys. So yeah, so sit back and enjoy this, and I will talk to you a little bit at the end. Okay, so that was basically 2 days worth of work condensed into 3 minutes and 21 seconds. What you're going to see next is the bits and pieces that we did film. So putting up a steel and using the concrete chainsaw as well. That concrete chainsaw has been an absolute godsend. So it's a little bit of a hodgepodge what's coming up next, but there we go. I can only edit what I shot at the time. Yeah, it's going to be good. Right. Right, we are seriously out of level.
Yeah.
I would like you to just take a couple of steps back, both of you. Move back. Not necessarily. Brilliant. I know.
We put the stages up on you.
That's what I was going to suggest.
And
And then we'll slide it around,
yeah.
and then we'll be able to. It's going to be a lot easier now because we've got two people. Right, scaffolding goes underneath.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do, Mark, is we're going to rotate it, yeah, and then we're going to try lift it. Dad, you know what you've got to do. As we lift it,
Yeah.
Dad's going to push this, and then we put it back down on here, and then when it centers itself, it will crab its way in. Okay. So, well, first things first. I've got to get clear of here. So we need to rotate it. Rotate, rotate. Keep on rotating. Right, up you go, Dad.
Yeah.
Up.
Yeah.
That's going down. Okay, alright.
Yeah.
Yep. That's it.
A bit more.
A little tiny bit more. That's it. Alright, yep, that's fine. Now we rotate back round as best we can. That's it, keep on going. Keep on going. There's not a lot I can do here. That's it. That's it. Now, we lift, Dad, you're going to be pushing it this way.
Yeah.
Dad, you want to be pushing the whole thing this way.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go like this.
Well, whichever way you want to do it.
Yeah.
Right, so we lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, right, let's go down then, Dad.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. I know, I can see. That's
Down?
good. Yes, down. Yeah. Right, slowly stop.
Yeah.
Right.
Done.
Right. Now.
We will unlock this.
Unlock, slide the whole thing back, yeah?
Okay.
Hang on, not yet. Let me get up on there. Okay, ready when you are.
Yeah.
Right, down. Up. Go on down, down. Oh, down.
Oh, you're there.
5024. Ooh la la.
5012.
5024, 5012. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Mine won't go anywhere because it's touching here. So you just do what you need to do.
Five oh two oh.
So 5 mil.
Yep. Five oh two four.
5024. I'll check my side. Thank you, sir. 5024. Hey! Right. Don't hit it again, Richard. Not too bad, hey? So, that's going to be it for this. I want to say thank you again to Mark and of course to you, Dad. Apologies if there is a big line down through the middle of this. Like I said, the glass is broken on the camera, but it is what it is. Next week's a big one. You're going to see all of the floor joists going in here, and yeah, that's going to be quite fun. See you next week.